controversies opened her motor mouth once again to shoot some really jaw-dropping statements. Rakhi Sawant has yet another time opened a big mouth after Shiv Sena President Uddhav Thackeray compared the Aam Aadmi Party to an item girl and also said that Rakhi Sawant can govern better than Kejriwal in his party's mouthpiece Samna. Immediately after that controversial statement was made, Rakhi decided to jump on the bandwagon with her tongue and unleashed her infamous Rakhism. She went on to call Arvind Kejriwal as an item boy. Rakhi maintained that as per her view, Kejriwal is an item boy, and if she ever had to do an item song with Kejriwal, she would like to dance on the popular Bollywood song Babuji Zara Dheere Chalo, Bijli Khadi Hai Ya Bijli Khadi from the movie Dhoom. We don't know what Rakhi was trying to say, but what we do know for sure is that Kejriwal has certainly made his opponents dance to the tunes of some really colorful item numbers. With his incredible popularity and amazing fan following, we wonder, will Kejriwal really dance on an item song with Rakhi? Do like this video and leave your opinion in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Uncut.